Too Crazy AI brings you today's curated AI industry news. OpenAI releases major AI safety update, reducing inappropriate responses by 65 to 80%, benefiting 1.5 million weekly users. SoftBank doubles down with $22.5 billion bet on OpenAI, contingent on year-end restructuring. Let's dive into today's specific developments. OpenAI announced a major breakthrough in AI safety today. Collaborating with over 170 mental health experts, they've reduced inappropriate responses by 65 to 80% when ChatGPT handles mental health crises, self-harm, and emotional dependency. Data shows approximately 1 million weekly users discuss suicidal thoughts, while another 560,000 exhibit signs of psychosis or mania. The new system automatically routes sensitive conversations to advanced reasoning models like GPT-5, adds break reminders, and shifts from giving advice to asking questions that encourage independent thinking. This represents crucial evolution in responsible AI deployment, ensuring users receive empathetic support and professional guidance when they're most vulnerable. SoftBank approved its remaining $22.5 billion payment to OpenAI today, completing its historic $30 billion investment commitment. This caps OpenAI's massive $41 billion funding round, the largest AI deal ever. But there's a critical condition. OpenAI must restructure from its current capped profit model to a public benefit corporation by end of 2025. Miss the deadline, and SoftBank's commitment drops to $20 billion. The stakes are enormous. OpenAI is burning $16 billion this year, $40 billion next year, with another $100 billion budgeted through 2030. Despite this, recent secondary share sales valued OpenAI at $500 billion, making it the world's most valuable startup and paving the way for a Wall Street IPO. Anthropic declared war on Microsoft Copilot today, launching Claude for Excel beta to challenge the financial services market. Opening to 1,000 select users from October 27, Claude integrates seamlessly into Excel through a sidebar interface, offering unprecedented spreadsheet intelligence. It understands entire workbooks, including nested formulas and cross-sheet dependencies, tests scenarios while preserving formula integrity, debugs complex errors, and even builds financial models from scratch, all with complete transparency showing exactly which cells it's referencing and modifying. The release coincides with Claude for Financial Services expansion, adding 6 pre-built agent skills for DCF modeling and earnings analysis, plus real-time data connectors to Aira, LSEG, Moody's, and Ignite. Major institutions like RBC, Carlyle, and Moody's are already on board. Qualcomm announced its entry into AI data center market today, directly challenging NVIDIA and AMD's dominance. Unveiling 2 AI inference accelerators, AI 200 in 2026 and AI 250 in 2027, with annual updates promised thereafter. Both chips pack 768 gigabytes memory per card, based on Qualcomm's proven Hexagon NPU technology from smartphones, but optimized for data center scale. The AI 250 introduces breakthrough near-memory computing architecture, delivering 10 times the effective bandwidth of AI 200. Qualcomm's pitch is compelling: superior power efficiency, competitive pricing, and unprecedented memory capacity. The market took notice. Stock jumped 11 to 15% after the announcement, and they've already secured a major customer in Saudi Arabia's Humane, deploying 200 megawatts of Qualcomm-powered infrastructure starting next year. Google solved a common productivity pain point today with a major upgrade to Gemini Canvas. Announced October 24th, the new feature compresses presentation creation from hours of work into seconds of automation. You can upload research papers, reports, or spreadsheets, or simply type a topic prompt, and Gemini generates a complete first draft presentation with professional themes, relevant images, and logical section structure. Generated slides export directly to Google Slides for final customization, perfect for students, professionals, and educators who've stared at that intimidating blank slide deck. Rolling out now, Pro and Workspace subscribers get priority access, with free tier users following in coming weeks. Here's today's craziest question. When AI can already reduce inappropriate responses by 65 to 80% and help 1.5 million people in crisis each week, should we let AI play a more proactive role or insist it only guides people toward human professional help? Where's the balance between technological capability and ethical boundaries? What's your choice? See you in comments. Too Crazy AI. Back tomorrow with more craziness.